Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. I am Anushka Maurya from class 9th and in this video I am going to explain you the chapter 2 of NCERT Maths class 9th, that is polynomials. So without any further, let's get started this video. So firstly, here polynomials. We have to understand that what are polynomials. Polynomials is made up of two words, poly and nomial. So, poly means many and the next word is nomial. Nomial means term. Poly means many and nomial means term. So here the question arises that what do you mean by term? This term word means combination of variables and coefficient. So now the next question that comes in everyone's minds is that what do you mean by variable and coefficients? So variables means alphabets. Alphabets that could be A, B, C, X, Y, Z. And then coefficient. Coefficient are the numbers along with alphabet. For example, 7a, 5x, 9b, 2y. These are called coefficient. So I hope that you all have understood about the introduction of polynomials. So let us understand about the terms and coefficients with an example. So here the example is 7x plus 2y plus 3. So here I have already told you that variables are the alphabets. So here 7 and y are the variable and 7 and 2, these both are the coefficient. Here 7 is the coefficient of x, or the coefficient of x is 7. 2 is the coefficient of y, or the coefficient of y is 2. So these both are coefficient. Now this 3 is also the coefficient. This 3 is not the coefficient because it is not a variable with a constant. So I hope that you have understood about the term. So now we are going to learn types on the basis of terms. So first one is monomial. So monomial means algebraic expression that has only one term. For example, 2x, it has only one term, that is 2x. 5x. These are the examples of monomial. Next one is binomial. So binomial means an expression having two terms. For example, 5x minus 5, 2y plus 6. So this is the example of binomial. Next one is trinomial. So trinomial means an expression that has three terms, x plus y plus z, 3y plus 2 plus 9. These are the examples of trinomial. And the last is polynomial. Polynomial means an expression that has one term or more than one term. So, for example, we can say that monomial, binomial and trinomial all are considered as polynomial. That could be x, 2x plus 5, x plus z plus a, or 2y plus 3x, 3z plus 2x plus 9. These are the examples of polynomial. So I hope that you all have understood about types on the basis of terms. Now let's move to our next topic. Now we are going to understand about the types of polynomials on the basis of degree. Degree means highest power. For example, 7 raised to the power 4. So here 4 is the degree. So the first is constant. Constant polynomial. So the example of constant polynomial is x. So constant polynomial means an expression that has 0 degree. So if you will write 0, then so here you can see it doesn't have any degree. So it is a constant polynomial. There are many examples of this. polynomial have degree 0. And so constant polynomial have degree 0. The next is linear polynomial. Linear polynomial means an expression that has only one power. Means it has only power of 0, but it has only one power. Means if we will write 8 raised to the power 1, so it only means 8. So the examples of linear polynomial are 2x, 5, 3, 8 and etc. So it means that an expression that has raised to the power 1 or called linear polynomial. The next is quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial means that an expression that has the power of 2. Means it has degree 2. So if we will write 5 squared, so what we will get 25. So here this is the linear polynomial. Examples are 2x squared, 6x squared, 3a squared. So it has raised to the power 2. The next is cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial means an expression that have the power or the degree 3. For example, 3 cubed. So here we will get 27. So the examples of cubic polynomial are 3x cubed, 5x cubed, 9x cubed. This cube refers to the degree of the polynomial. The next is quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial means an expression that has degree or power raised to the power 4. So examples are 4x raised to the power 4, 9a raised to the power 4, az raised to the power 4. These are the examples of polynomials on the basis of degrees that are constant, linear, quadratic, cubic and quadratic. So our next topic is types of polynomials on basis of variables. I have already told you variables means alphabets that are used in our algebraic expressions. So here the types of polynomials on the basis of variable are of 4 types. First one is 1 variable, 2 variable, 3 variable and 4 variable. So firstly let us understand about polynomial in 1 variable. So in 1 variable refers to that it has only one alphabet. For example, x squared plus 3xy x cubed plus 2x. So here this x, it has only one alphabet, that is x. So here this is polynomial in 1 variable. We don't have to see that how many times it is repeated. We have to just see that is it the same alphabet or not. The next is type of polynomial. The next type of polynomial is polynomial in 2 variables. So it has 2 variables or 2 alphabets. For example, 2x plus 3y plus 5x. So here you can see there are 2 alphabets and these 2 alphabets are x and y. So it is polynomial in 2 variables. The next is polynomial in 3 variables. So here you can see that here are 1 alphabet, here are 2 alphabets. So here will be 3 variables. For example, 3x plus 2y plus 9z plus 6x. So here x, y, z, x. X is of 2 times. So but it is the same alphabet. So here we got x, y and z. This is polynomial in 3 variables. The next one is polynomial in 4 variables. Polynomial in 4 variable means that it has 4 alphabets or 4 variables. For example, 3x plus 2y plus 9z plus 6a. So x, y, z, a. We get x, y, z, a. These are the examples of polynomial in 4 variables. I hope that you all have understood about types of polynomial on the basis of variables. our next topic is value of polynomial. So here we have to find the value of the given polynomial. Here is the polynomial and we have to find the value. So here the variables are x and x. Firstly read the question. 5x px in the bracket is equals to 5x square minus 3x plus 7. So here the value of x is given, x is equals to 1. So how we will find the value of polynomial? We just have to put the value of x on the place of x. Then we will get the value of the given polynomial. So let's do it. So here is x. We will put here 1 and write all the numbers as the same. So here 5x. The square is on the number x. So 5 into 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus 7. Here you can clearly see that at the place of x I have put 1. At the place of x I have put 1. Now we will solve it. P1 is equals to 5 into 1, 1 square is equal to 1. So we will get 5 minus 3 plus 7. P1 is equals to 2 plus 7. So P1 is equals to 9. We have found the value of polynomial and our answer is 9. I hope that you all have understood about the value of polynomial. So let's take another question. Our next question is Py. You don't have to be afraid if you see another number because here is y, so there will be only y. Py is equals to 3y cube minus 4y plus under root 11. So here the value of y is given 2. We just have to put this 2 on the place of y. P2 is equals to 3 into 2 cube minus 4 into 2 plus under root 11. So we will get 3 into 2 cube. The cube of 2 is 8. 8 into 3 is equals to 24. Minus 4 2s are 8 plus under root 11. P2 is equals to 24 minus 8. That is equals to 16 plus under root 11. Our answer is 16 under root 16 plus under root 11. If you like this video, please thumbs up, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon so that you will get notifications of my new uploaded videos. I'll meet in next video with another part of polynomials. Thanks for watching.